Santa's going to be upset because it turns out that Greenland is actually releasing methane into the atmosphere.
When I release methane, we call that farting.
Yeah.
So
yeah, that's
Greenland
right.
is farting.
Greenland is letting out big hairy ones into the atmosphere. It turns out that these little microbes that live underneath the ice chew away at ancient plants and things like that, and as they do, they produce methane. Now, we knew methane was produced from all kinds of other things, like the tundra melting and stuff like that during climate change.
It's released in fracking?
Yes, yes. But of course, but this is sort of new, this idea that actually the ice might also be holding back a bunch of methane. And that's bad because methane is an incredibly powerful greenhouse gas. It's like 10 times or something, I forget the exact number, as powerful as carbon dioxide. So it has the potential to cause a whole lot of warming really, really quickly if these Greenland farts continue into the future.
You know, Josh, along those lines, I'm sort of a Greenland expert. Not a lot of people, yeah.
Wow.
Let me give you an example.
Regale us.
Well, Greenland, you see, is very icy, where Iceland is very green. You want to write this down?
Yeah.
Write all this stuff down. I'm dropping pearls of wisdom.
Yeah, I'm
Josh,
going to get this right here.
You're talking a lot out your ass about Greenland. What the f do you know about Greenland?
Well, it turns out that I study Greenland for the government. Again, these are all my own opinions. This is not NASA's opinion officially. Well, it is their opinion that I study NASA, I guess. That's true.
That's on your paycheck.
That's definitely there, yeah. But no, I study Greenland for NASA. I am the lead scientist for a mission called Oceans Melting Greenland, or OMG for short.
Very clever.
Thank you very much. I spent hours and hours coming up with that acronym. And what we do is we fly airplanes around in Greenland and we measure the oceans and we measure the ice. And we're trying to answer the question, how much are the oceans eating away at the ice around the edges of Greenland?
Wow.
Yeah.
And what are your results so far?
Well, it is. So the ocean is, yeah. Yeah, it is.
That's a sort of clean yes or no answer that I think science should be providing us with. Okay, are we screwed? Yes.
Yes. So it turns out that the oceans are really playing an important role. You know, we think of Greenland kind of like an ice cube under a hairdryer. You know, the atmosphere is getting warm. That's how I make my martinis at home. But Greenland actually is also melting from below because a lot of the ice runs off the land right into the ocean. And so as the ocean warms, the ocean water can literally eat away at the ice from the edges. The glaciers then speed up and they dump more and more ice into the oceans, and it causes sea level rise to go even faster.
Hotpocalypse.